All right, what's up guys, it's Khaled here. Today I'm gonna show you how to do oil change on Subaru Forester. So this side here is your filters and this is the oil cap. This is dipstick right here. So all you need is a filter tube and a 17 for this. 17. You loosen the filter. Oh, this thing is kind of tight. Oh, Jesus. Alright, after that, you just gotta pick the car up. I already got everything set up here. Alright guys, so this right here is the oil drain plug right there. This plug right there, not this one. Just be careful guys, this is for transmission. You don't want to loosen that. It's a CVT, but that's for transmission. So oil is on the top. This is the oil drain plug. This is 17 right here. Alright, well, oil is draining. All you need is a cross ring and a filter. So this is what you do right here. You take the old one out, put a new one on there, and just wait for a little bit. Not too dark, decent. Subaru do recommend doing oil change every 6,000, but I usually just do it in 5,000. Just tighten it until you cross the cross ring. Or you can just torque it. I think it's 27 on Forester. It depends on the car, to be honest. But I usually just cross that cross ring and it's all good to go. So we just drop it now. it does take 0-20. It says on a cap right here. I say about start from 5.4. Put a 5.4 first and start a car and check it again. I just like to clean this all oil off of here. You do need a funnel like this. I got this from Cornwell, I think. They go on a Subaru. You just roll that on, put a 5.4 first. Let me check it first. Alright, I think I'm good, but I'm gonna start it off, check it again. Alright, start it off for 30 seconds, and then you can just start it up and go check the oil level. That should be good. About there. So that's how you do oil change on a Subaru Forester. They're basically on Subaru, they're all same, to be honest with you, except for a 6-cylinder and an older car, but basically it's all that. So now you know how to do oil change.